I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on US Bank is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the US Bank website or open a mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile Settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select the information to update. In the profile settings, choose which details you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Click on the appropriate section. Step 4. Make your changes. Enter the new information in the designated fields. Be sure to double-check for any typos, especially in your email address, as this could affect account notifications. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After updating your details, look for a confirmation button or message to ensure your changes have been saved successfully. You may receive a confirmation email as well. Updating your profile details can be done quickly, and keeping your information current is important for security and communication. If you run into any issues, US Bank's customer service is always there to help. Happy banking!